Hi, friends, it's me again. I have a book here that I think we're going to have a lot of fun with. It's called Interrupting Chicken. It is a Caldecott honor book. It did not get a Caldecott medal, but it was in the running because the pictures are so good in it. It's also a New York Times bestseller, and I think we are really going to enjoy this book. It's by David Ezra Steen. Interrupting Chicken. This book is called Interrupting Chicken, right, Papa? And Papa says,
Yes, now please don't interrupt the story.
it was bedtime for the little red chicken. Oh, this has got to have difficult pages. There we go. Okay. Okay, my little chicken, said Papa. Are you all ready to go to sleep?
Yes, Papa, but you forgot something.
What's that? Asked Papa.
A bedtime story.
All right, said Papa. I'll read one of your favorites. And of course, you are not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you?
Oh, no, Papa. I'll be good.
We'll see how that goes. Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods they found a house made of candy. Nibble, 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 they began to eat the house until the old woman who lived there came out and said,
"What lovely children! Why don't you come inside?"
And they were just about to follow her in when out jumped the red chicken and she said, "Don't go in, she's a witch." So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. I think we found the interrupting chicken.
Chicken,
Yes, Papa?
you interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved.
I'm sorry, Papa, but she was really a witch.
Well, you're supposed to be relaxing to fall asleep. Let's try another story.
I'll be good.
I have a feeling I know how this one's going to go. Little Red Riding Hood. Aww. Take this basket of goodies to Grandma, said Little Red Riding Hood's mother. But don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger. Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods. By and by she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when... I think you're right. Out jumped the little red chicken and she said, "Don't talk to strangers!" So the Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end.
Chicken,
Yes, Papa.
you did it again. You interrupted 2 stories, and you're not even sleepy.
I know, Papa. I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf.
Yes, now get back into bed.
Okay, Papa. Let's try one more little story. I'll be good.
I believe that. Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She went about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy and Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm that the sky was falling when... Out jumped the little red chicken and she said,
"Don't panic. It was just an acorn."
So Chicken Little didn't. The end.
Chicken?
Yes, Papa.
You did it again.
Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please read one more story, and I promise I will fall asleep.
But chicken, said Papa, we are all out of stories.
Oh, no, Papa. I can't go to sleep without a story.
I think Papa's a little exasperated.
Then, said Papa, yawning, why don't you tell me a story?
Me tell a story?
Said Little Red Chicken.
Okay, Papa. Here we go.
That's how it should go. Yes, yes. Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Oh, you gotta see this. Isn't that cute?
Once there was a little red chicken who put her papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him warm milk, but nothing worked. He stayed awake all.
I don't think Dad stayed awake.
Papa! Good night, Papa.
Aw, that's so sweet. I like this one. The end. Okay. I love this book. How about you? Yeah? If you did, give me either a private thumbs up or a private heart. Yes. Have a great day. It was good to see you again.